Learn how to plan, design and implement enterprise data infrastructure solutions and create the blueprints for your organization's data success. In this program, you'll plan, design and implement enterprise data infrastructure solutions and create the blueprints for an organization's data management system. You'll create a relational database with PostgreSQL, design an online analytical processing (OLAP) data model to build a cloud-based data warehouse, and design scalable data lake architecture that meets the needs of big data. Finally, you'll learn how to apply the principles of data governance to an organization's data management system. Prerequisite knowledge: intermediate Python and SQL skills, and basic familiarity with ETL, data pipelines. Data architecture foundations. Learn about the principles of data architecture. You will begin by learning the characteristics of good data architecture and how to apply them. Next, you will move on to data modeling. You will learn to design a data model, normalize data, and create a professional ERD. Finally, you will take everything you learned and create a physical database using PostgreSQL. Designing data systems. Learn to design enterprise data architecture. You will build a cloud-based data warehouse with Snowflake. You will evaluate various data assets of an organization and characteristics of these data sources, design a staging area for ingesting varieties of data coming from source systems, and design an operational data store, ODS. Finally, you will learn to design OLAP dimensional data models, design ELT data processing that is capable of moving data from an ODS to a data warehouse, and write SQL queries for the purpose of building reports. Big data systems. Learn about how to help organizations with massive amounts of data, including identification of big data problems and how to design big data solutions. You will learn about the internal architecture of many of the big data tools such as HDFS, MapReduce, Hive and Spark, and how these tools work internally to provide distributed storage, distributed processing capabilities, fault tolerance and scalability. Next, you will learn how to evaluate NoSQL databases, their use cases, and dive deep into creating and updating a NoSQL database with Amazon DynamoDB. Finally, you will learn how to implement data lake design patterns and how to enable transactional capabilities in a data lake. Data governance. Learn how to design a data governance solution that meets your company's needs. First, you will learn about the different types of metadata, and how to build a metadata management system, enterprise data model, and enterprise data catalog. Next, you will learn how to perform data profiling using various techniques including data quality dimensions, how to identify remediation options for data quality issues, and how to measure and monitor data quality using data quality scores, thresholds, dashboards, exception and trend reports. Finally, you will learn the concepts of master data and golden record, different types of master data management architectures, as well as the golden record creation and master data governance processes. Click the link in the description to learn more.